guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super quick, super easy eyeshadow tutorial featuring the Chanel Les Beiges palette. I'm talking super simple, 3 eyeshadow shades only. So if you guys are in a hurry or if you're not very skilled, not very advanced, if you don't have a lot of time, I mean, this would be perfect for you. So let me show you guys the shades. Alright, so this is the palette right here. It comes with 5 different shades and they're super pretty. We have these 2 are matte and these 3 have kind of a shimmer to them, but they're very gorgeous. I wouldn't say that it's a warm palette or it's a cool palette. It's more of a neutral tone. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look today, please keep watching. So the first shade that I'm gonna go in with is this shade up here, the top one, which is like a neutral shade. It is matte. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and put it into my crease. And I'm telling you guys, this look is great if you know you're just trying to get ready quickly. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. Which is perfect for like every day. So next I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is a little bit darker. It is also a matte shade. They don't have, I think I showed you guys, this is what the back looks like, and it does have the colors on the back. So I'm just going to put that into the outer corner. And this is pretty buildable, so you can make it as intense as you want or as subtle as you want. I'm not gonna go in with liquid liner today because something about my next one has been irritating my eye lately. This one, the NYX, it just says matte liquid liner, but this one has been irritating my eyes lately and making them kind of puffy, and yeah, so I'm not going to be using that one. I think I'm going to go back to my e.l.f. liquid liner because, you know what, it's less expensive and it works and it doesn't irritate my eyes. So I think I'm going to go back to that one. But anyway, so I'm going to go in with shadow as liner today, and I'm going to use that same shade right here that I just put on my outer corner, and I'm going to line my eyelid with that. So this is just a dense brush. And I'm just gonna place it as if I was putting my liner on. So next I'm gonna go in with this bronzy shade right here. We have 2. These 2 are matte shades and these 3 right here are kind of shimmer shades, but this one is so dark that you could just use it as a deeper shade. But it does, I don't know if I can get the camera close enough for you to see. This is my favorite. This is gorgeous. So that's the shade that I'm gonna use on my lid. And I think it's okay if you use it dry, but I do prefer to use it wet because I think it gives a more pretty sheen, I guess I could say. Okay, so I'm gonna wet my brush, my skin mist. And I'm just gonna take a flat brush and place that on the lid. And I really press it in there. So this is just like a pretty bronzy shimmer. I wouldn't say it's a shimmer, but it kind of gives a, I don't know how to describe the finish because it is shimmer, but it's also, I don't know how to describe it, but it's pretty and I like it. And I don't know if the camera is picking up how gorgeous it really is. So next I'm gonna just go over that liner again with that same shade. Just to make sure that we didn't lose any of that intensity by putting that bronze shade on top. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my face makeup and come back and do the bottom portion and lashes. Okay, so my foundation is on. I'm just gonna go in with my concealer real quick and clean up that line up there at the top. My makeup is set and I'm baking, so now I'm gonna go in with my under eye colors, and I think I want to do it a little bit smoky today, so let's go in with that same shade up here and just a flat brush and take it under the eye. And I don't mind taking it pretty low because, like I said, I want to go smoky. Next I'm gonna go in with this deep, was it this one? No, this one, with this deeper shade again. And this one, I'm telling you guys, is really dark, so if you really want to take it there, you can use this one. And I might create some other looks with the other shades. Now, if you guys are down for that, if you want to see another look, maybe something even smokier, more dramatic, let me know. I am more than down to do multiple looks for just one palette, because I'm the type of person, especially this one, because this one was not cheap, this was definitely a splurge for me, but I'm one of those people, if I'm gonna, you know, shell out the money for something expensive, I'm gonna want to get my use out of it. So I want to do different looks and, you know, use it as much as possible. That's just me. So I used my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlight today because it's amazing. You can see I've hit pan on that. That's how much I love it. But so I used that as my highlight today, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and use it as my inner corner highlight as well. Just kind of brighten that up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna pop on my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, my lashes are on, and I know what you're thinking, this would look great with a nude lip, but we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna go with a nice deep, what would you call this? Let's just say vampy shade, which is actually fitting because it is the Kat Von D shade in Vampira. And I actually, you know, I'm having my fall vibes and everything and I'm ready for fall, but I actually used this lipstick last year on Halloween. If you guys want to go check out my Instagram, I have a picture on there of what I was. If you find the picture, comment on it and let me know. Instagram name is Courtney Cottoncandy. So, yeah, Vampira. It's just a gorgeous vampy shade. Perfect for fall, Halloween, any dark looks you want to do. It's a beautiful shade. Alright, so that is the finished look. Like I said, if you guys want to see more looks featuring this palette, let me know. I like to get my money's worth out of something that's going to be this pricey, so I'm down for it. If you guys are, just let me know. Leave me comments down below. I mean, I read them, guys. I try my best to respond to them. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you guys in the next video.